If you're over 60, this video is essential for your independence. I am going to show you why the small decisions you make today could determine whether you stay strong, mobile, and confident or watch your body slowly lose its power. Let's start with a hard truth. After the age of 60, adults lose up to 3 to 5% of their muscle mass every single decade. Now, that might not sound like a lot, but muscles aren't just about strength. They are your lifeline for balance, stability, and independence. When your muscles weaken, the risk of falling skyrockets. Simple tasks like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or even carrying your groceries can suddenly feel impossible. And the worst part, most people just blame aging. But the reality is, it's often their daily habits that are quietly stealing their strength. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that a short walk leaves you completely winded. Or worse, that your knees hurt so much you can't even bend down comfortably. Imagine feeling that fear of losing your independence creeping in, not being able to play with your grandchildren, take a trip, or even just walk to the corner store. It's terrifying, but it does not have to happen to you. There is hope. A simple, daily habit taking as little as 15 minutes can help you burn fat, rebuild your leg strength, and restore your mobility. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how, and here's the kicker. There's a secret method I'll reveal later that makes this process far easier and safer than anything most people are trying. Stick with me, because your future mobility and your independence depend on it. Let's take a closer look at why this matters so urgently. Your muscles are like a safety net for your bones and joints. When they weaken, your joints have to carry more stress. The cartilage wears down faster, your balance becomes unreliable. That's why falls are the #1 cause of serious injury for people over 65. Even a minor injury can spiral into months of immobility. Once you stop moving regularly, the downward spiral accelerates. You lose strength, you lose coordination, and you lose confidence. And once that confidence fades, you start to avoid activities, which only speeds up the decline. It's a vicious cycle, but there is a way out. You might be thinking, I walk every day, isn't that enough? Well, the truth is, walking alone is often not enough to preserve the muscle you need for independence. Walking is low impact, yes, but it doesn't challenge your leg muscles enough to stimulate growth or maintain strength. And strength is what keeps your legs sturdy and your body stable. What you need is a combination of movement, resistance, and consistency, but it doesn't have to involve heavy lifting, complicated machines, or long, exhausting workouts. Here's a fact that may shock you. Studies show that low-impact cycling strengthens legs faster than walking, especially for seniors. Why? Because cycling targets the large muscle groups in your thighs, your calves, and your glutes, all while reducing the strain on your knees and hips. It builds your endurance and improves circulation. And when it's combined with a few key habits I'll share, it can kickstart fat loss, enhance your metabolism, and protect your joints. Now, let's address another fear many seniors have: falling while exercising. That fear is real and it's valid, but the good news is that this method is safe, low impact, and adaptable. You don't need a gym, you don't need complicated equipment. In fact, you can start with a simple stationary bike, an outdoor bike on flat terrain, or even a tricycle for extra stability. The key is consistency. 15 minutes a day, all it takes to start feeling stronger and more confident in as little as 2 weeks. But here's something most people don't realize. Muscle loss isn't just about weakness. It affects your metabolism, your brain, and even your mood. Sarcopenia, that's the medical term for age-related muscle loss, is linked to insulin resistance, a slower metabolism, and higher body fat. It can make your everyday energy feel like it's just slipping away. You might feel tired after lunch, have trouble keeping up with family, or even struggle with mental clarity. By taking control of your muscles, you are also protecting your brain, your heart, and your overall vitality. Let me give you a real-world example. Meet Joan. She is 67. Joan loved gardening, but noticed she could no longer kneel comfortably or lift the heavy pots. Walking helped a little, but she was still tired and frustrated. Then, she started 15 minutes of gentle cycling every day, paired with a simple post-ride stretching routine. Within just 2 weeks, her knees felt lighter, her legs felt stronger, and her confidence returned. She was even able to play with her grandchildren without any fear of pain or fatigue. This is the type of transformation I want for you. Now, here is the emotional truth. Every day you delay action is another day your muscles weaken further. This is why we're starting with a wake-up moment. Think about all the small, seemingly harmless choices that chip away at your strength, skipping breakfast, avoiding movement because of minor aches, or thinking, I'm just too old for exercise. Each one of those choices stacks up over time. But here's the secret. You can reverse years of muscle loss with simple, intentional action. You just need the right method and consistency. And that's where the secret method comes in. I won't reveal it just yet, that is for later, but know this. It is designed specifically for people over 60. It is safe, practical, and incredibly effective. It works even if you have joint pain, limited mobility, or haven't exercised in years. Today, we start with understanding the stakes, building urgency, and preparing your mindset. Because without motivation and clarity, even the best exercises won't stick. Before we move forward, let us pause for a crucial truth. Losing strength is not a normal part of aging, it is preventable. Most people think that fatigue, weakness, and achy joints are inevitable. They aren't. With the right habits, you can maintain muscle, mobility, and independence well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. And that's exactly what we're going to build toward in this series. So here's your challenge for today. Pay attention to your body. Notice if you feel weaker, more tired, or less stable than you did a year ago. That awareness is the first step toward change. Because once you see the problem clearly, the solution becomes actionable, and the solution is simpler than most seniors imagine. In the next part, we will uncover the silent daily mistakes that are slowly eroding your strength. These are not obvious. They hide in everyday habits, and most seniors are completely unaware they are sabotaging themselves. Once you identify them, you'll be able to make small corrections that dramatically improve your mobility, fat loss, and energy levels. Remember, today, this isn't just about exercise. It's about regaining control over your independence, your body, and your life. The steps ahead are designed to be evidence-based, actionable, and safe. You will not only feel stronger, you will feel empowered. And eventually, you will discover the secret method that ties all these actions together, giving you a clear roadmap to burn fat, rebuild leg strength, and reclaim your mobility. Take a deep breath and commit to this journey. You are not too old. You are not too fragile. You are about to learn the best-kept strategy for seniors to stay active, strong, and independent. In the next section, we reveal the mistakes most seniors are making every day that quietly undermine their strength and how you can avoid them starting now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.